Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. Throughout this series, we provide example flows that you can quickly import so you can test different aspects of the Catenis Flow toolkit. One of the nicer aspects of Node-RED is the ability to create a flow, save it, and allow others to quickly import it. We will cover how to do this today. The process of importing a flow is quick and simple. First, navigate to this link to find an example flow. Now copy the example flow provided to your computer's clipboard. With Node-RED open in your browser, click the hamburger menu and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow you copied into the import box and click the Import button. Now you should see the flow you copied. Click any location within your workspace to place the flow into your workspace at that location, and your flow is ready to go. Great! Now you're ready to move on to our next video, where we'll discuss document and file type handling in Catenis Flow.